everyone, good evening. Good evening students. How are you all? I am Ankita Sharma, your master teacher of biology, and I welcome you. You're doing absolutely fine, that I know, because your comments are coming in our videos, and I'm so proud to say that we are so happy with it. Very soon everyone, I will be actually clubbing all of these and will be coming in front of you. So what I thought that let's have some more twists. That's why we are working something specially for you people. So don't just wait for the surprise. That will be a great thing for you, and I hope you enjoy. So on that particular note everyone, let's start our class. Now in this particular chapter of why do we fall ill, we will be learning about various beautiful and amazing things about our body and how the microorganisms can actually trouble us. Let's start our class everyone. But before the class starts everyone, we know the basic drills. And when we know the basic drills everyone, the important thing that I always tell my students, that you are here with us on the YouTube, you are learning with us. Thank you so much for doing that. But if you want to learn more, if you want to give more time to this amazing studies, then the Vedantu is the right platform for you everyone. So these are the micro courses that we are currently offering in various subjects for your classes. So you can go on this particular link, use this code and get 95% off. That's an amazing, right? So these are the micro courses everyone. Apart from it, we are also offering the crash courses. Now crash courses will be a very quick way for you to revise all the syllabus that you have studied in your 9th class. And that will be gearing you up for your 10th class as well. So don't miss this opportunity. Again, you can use this link everyone, use the code, and of course the price is very less. So do give it a try everyone. Moving on ahead everyone, this is amazing classes that we are having and you can always come and study with us. And here's me. Okay? The drill everyone, hit the like button, share with your friends and subscribe to the channel, join the Telegram group link, and of course, let's see today what we are studying. Today everyone, we'll be learning why do we fall ill. In that we'll learn the health and the diseases, causes of diseases, infectious and non-infectious diseases. Then principle of prevention and principle of treatment. Let's start our class everyone with this amazing quote. Let's say there's only one thing everyone that makes the dream impossible, is that we will fail. The fear of the failure stops you from doing the amazing things. So everyone, I want you to take a step ahead, take a leap with us, join us everyone, and you will see that there are no failures. Okay, on that note, let's start our class. And we have our first question everyone. Question is, if you live in an overcrowded and poorly ventilated space or house, it is possible that you may suffer from. So there are two conditions that they have given. First of all, we are staying basically in a poorly ventilated house where there's no oxygen, there's no flow of the air is happening. Secondly, what is it? Overcrowded. Lots of people are living over there. So we are talking something about the air, right? So the right option over here out of these four, which is cancer, AIDS, airborne diseases and cholera, the first thing that actually makes sense is the airborne diseases, right? So right option will be our option number C. Now because these compact places will have more amount of microorganisms in them, and even if they're coming, they're not moving outside, they are being stuck up over there. And if there are a lot of people, if they have any of the minute microorganisms, it will be easier for the microorganism to come to you because air is there, very less space and lots of people. I hope you got this, right? So right option is option number C everyone. Next question. Choose a wrong statement. Wrong statement everyone. Focus here on the word wrong statement. So first, high blood pressure is caused by excessive weight and lack of energy. Do you agree with it? Yes, I agree. Yes, it is. Because when we are not exercising, when we have we don't work, we have lots of body fat around us that causes the pressure on the heart to pump the blood. So it's a high pressure. So yeah, first point is completely correct. What about the second point? Cancer can be caused by genetic abnormalities. Yes. So what is cancer? In cancer, the cells randomly start dividing themselves. अपने आप divide करते हैं और divide करते रहते हैं for the n number of time. So that could be because of any of the genetic abnormalities. Something is changing in a gene that causes them to do a random division and suddenly they are just gone all mad. Third option, peptic ulcer caused by eating acidic food. Peptic is our stomach, everyone, okay? Now what's happened if you're eating lots of acid-rich food like pani puris? Oh, it's so yummy. Then hot chilies, right? The chutneys that we have, or the food which have more amount of the acidic content into it, that might cause the ulcer, means holes in our stomach. Ghav, you know, the wound kind of structure that we see inside our stomach. That is also right. The fourth option, everyone, acne is caused by a fungus. This is completely wrong. Acne, everyone, over here is caused by the bacterias. Okay, it is not caused by the fungus, it is caused by the bacteria. Streptophilus coccus. Here, can you see? Staphylococcus. So what happens? If you're not so hygiene, the bacteria will start clogging and collecting on our skin, and that might cause a lot of disease. Not a lot of disease, but only the acne. So the right answer for this question will be option number D, everyone. This is the wrong statement. Next question. You are aware of the polio eradication program in your city? Children are vaccinated because now we have seen there was a huge, amazing, government campaign was also going that, 5 boon zindagi ki, 2 boon zindagi ki, sorry. So they used to ask these small children to come and take the polio drops. Why they were doing it? Let's see the options. Vaccination basically kill the polio causing microbes, prevent the entry of polio causing organisms, or it creates immunity in the body, or all of the above. So my say will be all of the above, everyone. So there are 2 different types of polio medicines that we have. First is the drops and the second is the injection. When we are giving the drops, everyone, we are using the weakened, the less active microorganisms. The virus is very less active. But if you're using the vaccination, the injection, everyone, then the polio virus will be inactive. It is completely inactive and then injected into the body. The body will react to it, okay? The body will react to it. It will form some antibodies, right? And those will go into the mind, memory cells. And in future, if we see this virus coming inside our body, or if it's entering, the body cells will start fighting to it. Correct? So the right option will be all of these, everyone. Okay? All of these is being done so that the polio can be fought easily. Question number 4, everyone. Let's see. Vectors can be defined as, what are vectors? Don't think about the vector or hector, anything. Vectors you have studied, that are they the disease plant, infected person, or microorganism which may cause disease, or animals that can carry the infected agent from a sick person to the healthy person. Think about it, everyone. What are vectors? Vectors are nothing but the carriers, right? They can carry the disease from one organism to the next one. So they are the infecting agent, basically, that will carry the microorganism inside them or outside them, and they will just go and drop it to the healthy person. Okay? So the right option will be option number A. Okay? And some of the common vectors, what are these? Mosquitoes, right? Very, very common. Then what about the cockroach, housefly, mites, ticks? These all are the vectors which carry the dirty microorganisms around themselves. If we eat in those plates or the food, we might get sick. Question number 5, everyone. AIDS cannot be transmitted by. Now, we know that AIDS is caused by HIV virus, and the question is asking how it cannot be transferred. We know that it can be transferred with these options, right? Can you see? It can be transferred easily if there is a contamination blood exchange. If the person who is suffering from the AIDS is giving the blood to the other person, definitely the other person will get the HIV. If there are injection changes, okay, if this one person suffering from the HIV AIDS using an injection and someone else is using the same injection, then there are chances that the other person will get the AIDS. Next, it is clearly passed from a mother to the baby, and of course it can be passed due to the physical contact. Clear? So of course these are the ways in which HIV can be transferred. What are the ways HIV cannot be transferred and we and all of us should be aware of? First, sweating. Sweating will not give you the HIV as virus. Insect bite, nothing will happen. Sneeze and cough, it will not cause a disease. Sharing food, never. Bathing, hugging, kissing, and of course the use of the same toilet seats. So we should be very, very aware about these things, everyone. What causes the disease and what don't cause the disease. So right answer, everyone, over here will be hugs. So AIDS cannot be caused if the person who is suffering from AIDS is hugging the person who is not suffering from the AIDS. Question number 5, everyone. Making antiviral drugs. So specify, we are focusing on antiviral drugs, everyone. Antibacterial drugs are very easily available and very easily made. But for antiviral, there's a still lot of struggle going on. Why? The question is asking that. Let's see. Making antiviral drugs is more difficult than making the antibacterial medicines because, you know why? Think about it. Let me help you. The virus, basically, everyone, you know what it does? The virus is very smart, everyone. Okay, please don't say this virus look like a sun. It is, but let's just make it more fancy. Okay, this virus basically, when it's enter into the host body, it actually changes its composition. Okay, so what it does basically, okay, it gives its genetic material. Okay, it gives its genetic material, and this genetic material, you know what, it will come and it will fuse with the host genetic material, and it will start spreading the infection. So we don't have time, we don't know what is coming, how we have to fight for it. That's why antiviral diseases are very hard to make as compared to the antibacterial. Because in bacteria we know the sequence, we know its DNA, so we can study them easily. But in RNAs, majority of them have the RNA as the genetic material. We have the DNA genetic material, which is easier to study. Hence, we have bacterial diseases, medicines, but we don't have the antiviral drugs as easily available as antibacterial. So this is the right answer, everyone. Virus make use of the host machinery. So it's come to your body and start using your DNA to produce the diseases. Very smart and very cruel they are. Let's see the next question. Which of these groups of microorganisms can antibiotics be extracted from? So we can take antibiotics from where? The question is asking you that. Let's see. Bacteria only, bacteria or fungi, bacteria and virus, and fungi and virus. What do you think? Virus, so we have actually eliminated. What do you think? Can we extract the antibiotics from virus? Think about it. Is it tough? Let's see, everyone. So it's very easy that antibiotics can be extracted from the fungi, penicillium, right? This can give us the drug. Okay, and of course some of the bacteria also. Streptomycin, very very common everyone. You must have heard about these. So these are the ones which can actually give us the antibiotics. We have seen them and we have studied about them. So the right option will be bacteria, and fungi are the one that can help us in making the antibiotics. Antibiotics are nothing everyone, a fancy name for the medicines that we usually take, the capsules and everything. It has some of the amount of bacteria and virus in them. That's why they're fighting inside our body, right? Question number 8 everyone. What are acute and chronic diseases? Give example. So acute are the diseases which can be easily cured, like they are very short-term diseases. Whereas the chronic diseases are the one which are the long-term, which take a lot of time. So the common cold everyone, the common cold will be a acute disease, right? Acute. It can be cured in a very short span of time. Whereas the chronic disease will take months or maybe lifetime. Diseases like this, elephantiasis, right? This is common cold, can easily be cured in 3 to 4 days. But elephantiasis can never be cured in a lifetime. Hence, acute and chronic diseases are the one which of course one take less time and one take long time to heal. Short-term diseases and long-term diseases. I hope it's clear to you now. Question number 9 everyone. Okay. So here we have some diseases and here have the pathogens. These diseases are caused by some of the pathogens. Let's try to match them out everyone. Okay, we have over here, let's see. We have peptic ulcer. I'm coming over here so the screen is visible to you. So peptic ulcer is there, then rabies, Kala-Azar and sleeping sickness. So ulcer, and we can see all of these. Let's see. Okay. So what we have everyone? See, sleeping sickness caused by the trypanosome. Kala-Azar caused by the leishmania. Then rabies caused by the rabies virus, and the peptic ulcer, is caused by the Helicobacter pylori. Okay everyone. So remember these everyone. So the right answer will be this. Okay. Clear? So everyone, what we have to remember? We have to remember the disease name and the pathogen. What are the pathogens everyone? The disease causing organism is called as pathogen. So here is the answer. Let's go and see the question number 10 everyone. Our surrounding area should be free from stagnant water. There should be no coagulated water. The water should be clean. If it's collected water, it's very very harmful. Why? Because the mosquitoes will come and lay their eggs and causes lots of diseases, right? See? Can you see? A lot of mosquitoes are here. You must have seen, right? So we should clear this off because the vectors will come here and start giving the birth to the eggs, which is very very dangerous. Okay? So prevention is definitely better than the cure everyone, right? With that, we are done with our today's class everyone. Okay? So we have covered up all these topics. Prevention, treatment, everyone, we know that prevention is very good. For example, if I'm getting cold, what should I do? I should stay home, because if I'm coming out, I might give it to the other people, right? I should take the proper amount of treatment. I should take whole course of medicine, should go to the doctor, should not become a doctor and take anything which I feel like, right? So principle of treatment and principle of prevention are the key to fight any diseases. With that note everyone, I'll say bye-bye. Don't forget to get the homework question everyone. Why is AIDS considered to be the syndrome and not a disease? Do write in the comment section, and I have a surprise for you people. Okay? These are classes that you will be seeing everyone. So stay tuned to our amazing Vedantu channel. And thank you all for choosing the amazing app. Okay, thank you so much for that. And everyone, don't forget to go on the link for the micro courses and of course amazing crash courses for your studies. I will be seeing you very soon, everyone. Hit the like button, share with your friends, write in the comment section below, and just enjoy learning with us. Bye bye, everyone. I'll see you very soon. Good night. Bye bye.